In today's video, I'm going to teach you copy Excel table into AutoCAD. By the end, you'll know the quickest, cleanest way to bring a formatted table from your spreadsheet straight into your drawing, keep it looking the way you expect, and make simple edits without touching the original file. First, start in your Excel sheet. Take a moment to highlight exactly the cells you want to appear in AutoCAD. Include your headers, totals, and any notes you need, and make sure the visible formatting is how you want it: column widths, text alignment, borders, and number formats. What you see in Excel is what AutoCAD will try to display, so it's worth getting it right here. Once you've got the range selected, copy it just like you normally would. The standard copy command works, and it preserves the look of the selection you chose. Now, switch over to AutoCAD. With your drawing open and ready, simply paste. Use your usual paste action and AutoCAD will bring in the copied range as an embedded object. You'll see your cursor pick up a preview of the table and you're ready to place it. Use your mouse to click where you want the table to live in your drawing. Pick a clear spot in your layout or model space where the table will be easy to read. If you're working within a title block, place it where it fits neatly with your standard sheet organization. Once it's placed, you can move it around later just like any other object to fine-tune the position. The formatting from Excel should carry over, so borders, fonts, and cell shading will look familiar. And there you go. The table is now part of your drawing as an embedded object. That means it's not broken into individual AutoCAD lines and text. It stays together as a single tidy item that prints cleanly. If you ever don't see it right away, you might just be zoomed out too far. So pan or zoom to locate it. If you need to make changes, you can edit the embedded table by double-clicking it. AutoCAD will open an Excel window for that embedded copy, separate from your original workbook. Any edits you make here apply only to this embedded version inside your drawing, so your source file remains untouched. When you finish editing, close the Excel window and your drawing will update to show the changes. Don't forget to save your drawing afterward so those updates are stored. That's all. With these simple steps, copy in Excel, paste in AutoCAD, click to place, and double-click to edit, you can keep your drawings accurate and professional without rebuilding tables from scratch.